My new home is finally built. Now I just need a strong roof. The roof is not complete yet. I need professional roofing service.
I don't know any roofing experts. Who can I trust with my home?
Do you know a good roofing company?
Yes, contact Guns & Sons Contracting. They're the best for new construction. Yeah.
That's great to know. Thank you.
Hi, I need roofing for my new home. I hope they're reliable.
We'd be happy to help you.
Great, thank you.
We'll inspect and start planning. They look experienced.
Yeah.
We'll ensure strong and durable roofing.
They pay attention to every detail.
We use high-quality materials.
My home looks amazing now.
Thank you, Guns & Sons Contracting. You did an excellent job.
Guns & Sons Contracting Crag. Reliable roofing for your new construction.